Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by opening Taskbar settings so you can change its size immediately. Once done, check your Windows build to confirm the small taskbar option is available. This avoids wasted steps. If a direct small option isn't present, make sure you can edit the registry or have admin rights, because I'll show an alternative. Now open Settings Personalization taskbar and keep that window visible. We'll switch between options and the registry if needed, so don't close it. Now you'll enable the small taskbar appearance. First, look for a small taskbar icon's toggle under taskbar behaviors. If present, switch it on and observe the layout change. If you don't see that toggle, open Regedit and back up the Explorer key for safety. Then create or set the word named Use Small Taskbar to 1 under HKLM/software/Microsoft/Windows/current version/Explorer. This forces the compact UI. After that, restart Windows Explorer or reboot to apply the change and check spacing and icons. Finish by fine-tuning alignment, icon combining, and spacing so the small taskbar fits your workflow. Make sure to test clicks and context menus. Small UI can affect hit targets. If something goes wrong, like missing icons or crashes, revert the registry word or restore the Explorer key backup and restart Explorer immediately. Finally, update Windows to an official build that supports the small taskbar, and only keep registry tweaks as a temporary workaround if updates fix the feature natively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.